In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ClickUp for product release planning. We'll start by opening ClickUp on your browser or desktop app and logging in. Once you're in, you should see your workspace. If you're new, don't worry. Everything we'll do is straightforward and easy to replicate. First, create a dedicated space for your releases. Click Spaces, choose Add Space and name it Product Releases. Think of a space as your high-level container. Make sure lists are enabled here, because we'll use lists to organize all the tasks that make up a release. Inside that space, add a folder called Release Boards. Folders help you group related lists, and this one will hold everything tied to your release planning process. Next, create a list named Upcoming Releases. This list is where the action happens. Each task you add will represent a feature, an update, or another release item you plan to ship. It keeps your pipeline visible and centralized. Go ahead and add tasks for each feature or update in the pipeline. Use clear names like New Login Feature, UI Update, or Bug Fix Release, so everyone knows exactly what each task means at a glance. Add brief descriptions if needed to capture context, acceptance criteria, or links to designs. Quick note before we continue. Whether you prefer the desktop app or the web version, I've placed the official download link and the website link right at the top of the description so you can access ClickUp quickly. Now, add custom fields to enrich your tasks. Include priority to signal urgency, assign team member for ownership, release date to set targets, and status so everyone can see progress instantly. Use a date field for release date so it appears in timeline and calendar views. And keep values consistent to make sorting and grouping effective. Set up your release statuses next. Use a simple flow like planned, in progress, QA, ready for release, and released. These stages make handoffs crystal clear and help teams align on what's moving, what's waiting, and what's done. You can always rename or color code these later, but keep the flow short to avoid bottlenecks. Finally, track progress using the views that fit your style. Board View gives you a Kanban-style pipeline to drag tasks between statuses. List View is great for detailed editing and bulk updates. Timeline View helps you visualize dependencies and dates to keep delivery on track. Switch between views as needed, apply filters for assignees, dates or priorities, and save your favorite configuration so your team lands on the most useful layout. That's it! You now have a clean ClickUp setup to plan and track product releases efficiently. If this helped, consider sharing it with your team and don't forget to grab the link in the description. Thanks for watching.